Hey Ojibwa students, how's it going? It's Mr. Mallory here. I hope you are staying healthy and it's a nice day out today, so I hope you're enjoying the nice weather. Hopefully it's still nice by the time you watch this video. So this is a lesson for kindergarten through 5th grade, so everyone is going to benefit from this. It's based off of the story we read with kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd graders, so they will know the story that I'm referring to. Older kids, you won't, but like I said, it's still a good activity and lesson for you to take part in. And also, I'll ask a question at the end that I think 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders will have a good time exploring, okay? So let's get started. So when we left for this quarantine break, whatever you want to call it, I had brought in my conga drums. Well, actually just the one, because remember, I said I had 2 drums. One of them was at school, the other was at home. I brought in the conga, which is the larger one, and the quinto is the smaller one, okay? So I brought the conga in, and hopefully everyone got a chance to play it, or at least most of us did. And so we read the story, too, with kindergarten, 1st, and 2nd graders about Eli and Freddie, and they are on this island, and they find some frogs that are playing instruments, particularly percussion instruments. And one of the instruments that they were playing were the congas. And you'll remember we talked about the cha-cha. And the cha-cha rhythm is this. Cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. So that's the cha-cha rhythm. I play the cha-cha part on the conga. But the rhythm underlying that I'm feeling, like the pulse, is 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And I had you clap it if you remember. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. It's also the clap that we use to try to get you guys to quiet down when we're at an assembly, or if I'm starting class and people are talking loud. I'll go like this. You repeat it. And hopefully everyone quiets down. Doesn't always work that way, but in theory, that's the way it's supposed to work. So basically, though, that is the cha-cha-cha rhythm. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. And when I put it over top of the conga, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. It fits nicely. In fact, it's a really, really common dance also. You'll see a lot of ballroom dancers, like if you watch Dancing with the Stars or any of those programs where they're doing ballroom dancing, the cha-cha is a very, very common one. So what I'd like you to do in this activity here is to clap along while I play the congas. So you're going to clap the cha-cha-cha, and I'm going to play the conga part. The first time we do this, we'll do it 2 times. The first time we do it, I'll say 1, 2, cha-cha-cha while I'm playing the congas. The point is so you can follow me and you can start to learn what it feels like to stay on the beat. The second time I play it, I won't do any of the cha-cha-cha rhythm other than the conga, okay? So the second time all I'll play is... That way you can try to do it independently all by yourself, okay? So first time through, I'll say the cha-cha-cha rhythm, and I'll also play it on the conga. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. Okay, first time through with some help from me. Second time through, I'm only going to play the conga part. You have to keep the cha-cha-cha rhythm going all by yourself. And remember, it's important that you stay with the drums. You can't go too fast. You can't speed up. You can't be too slow. You got to lock right in. And that takes some practice. So if you still feel like you need practice, go ahead and rewind it to where you can go over this again with the one with me saying it and playing it. If you're ready to move on, let's move on. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. So there's the second time through with no help from me. It's all you. Now, this is probably a little easier for the older kids to do 3, 4, and 5, but the cha-cha is a very, very common rhythm that we don't really hear it in popular music today, but we feel it. And oftentimes the music is based off of that rhythm, okay? So what I'd like for you to do is find some music that you currently are listening to. So I don't know where you listen to music from, radio, YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music, wherever. Try to find some songs that you like or some songs that you hear and see if you can figure out if they are cha-chas or not. And the way to do that is, as the song's playing, if you can say the cha-cha-cha rhythm that we just talked about, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha. If you're doing that and it fits with the song, then chances are it's a cha-cha, okay? And really what that means is for dancers, if they want to dance, they know they're going to be doing the cha-cha as opposed to a disco or a salsa or whatever, okay? So try to find some songs and some music that you listen to, particularly popular music, like songs that are currently on the radio right now or people listen to a lot right now. And what I'd like you to do is send me an email with the name of the song and the artist that performs it, and I'll definitely check it out to see if it is in fact a cha-cha. Okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this lesson. Hopefully I'll have some more out soon, and this will be a great way for us to practice some music together while we are on this quarantine time or whatever you call it. So I hope you guys are staying healthy and staying active, and we'll see you soon. Bye.